Minnie Dlamini, a renowned South African television host and actress, became the center of attention as Showmax and Laugh Africa announced the roast of Minnie Dlamini. This event promises to put Dlamini in the hot seat, allowing comedians and celebrities to humorously critique and celebrate her career and personal life. Such roasts are known for their light-hearted jabs and deep respect for the roastee, offering audiences a unique blend of comedy and tribute. Dlamini's participation indicates her willingness to engage with her public persona in a fun and self-deprecating manner. The roast is anticipated to be a significant entertainment event, showcasing Dlamini's good humor and resilience.